Hey makers, do you want to see how you can bring your drawings to life? Check this out.
We're going to be using this app called Stop Motion. If you don't know how to use this app, go ahead and go back to the Solar Prep YouTube channel and look at my previous tutorials. The first thing you want to do is set up your workspace. You want to place your paper somewhere in the camera's view and tape it down so it'll be steady the whole time. You also need to set up your camera. You can use a tripod or also boxes and just tape your camera at the top of that box so it stays still. All right, now you're all set up, it's time to draw. So every time you do a little bit of your drawing, you're gonna take a picture. So you'll draw a line, take a picture. Draw a line, take a picture. This is the view from inside of your Stop Motion app. And once you're done adding all of your pictures, you're gonna hit the play button at the bottom right-hand side of your screen, and then you're going to watch your whole video come to life. Here are some more examples. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to share it with me. Bye, Solar Girls.